Custom domain on Payhip. In today's video, you are going to learn how to add custom domain on Payhip. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you have to log into your domain provider and go to your DNS settings or DNS zone. This could be Namecheap, Cloudflare or GoDaddy. Then you have to add a new CNAME record. Type CNAME, name of yours or host your subdomain only, for example, learn. Then you have to add your target domain. Then you have to enter DTL and proxy. After that, save the record. Now log into your Payhip dashboard and go to the store option. Here select domains and connect existing domain. Enter your full subdomain and click connect. Payhip will verify your domain. If everything is correct, you will see a success message. Payhip will verify. DNS updates can take a few minutes up to 24 hours depending on your provider. Once verified, your Payhip store will be live at your custom domain, giving you your own branded link instead of the default Payhip URL. And that's all. That's how you will be able to add custom domain on Payhip.